you see the dead reindeer? Did you guys see it?
No.
The dead reindeer?
Where is it? This is an awesome house.
Well, thank you. My hands are cold, so be careful.
Do you take a donation?
Yep, for Children's Miracle Network.
There you go.
Thank you. Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you.
Thank you.
A lot
A lot of
of lights.
lights. 200,000.
Wow. See Santa on the roof up there?
Yeah. He's real.
And the reindeers.
He's real.
There's a Ferris wheel.
He's real. Oh, I missed it.
There you go.
He's real.
Come on, there's somebody behind it.
I feel like I'm gonna fall over.
Okay.
He's real. That's a lot of lights.
Wasn't that neat?
Yes. I wonder how we got all those 200,000 lights. Probably $200,000. They're not $1 each. It'd be cool. If lights were $1 each, they'd be running out fast.
Okay, you guys do something with that paper. It's getting on my nerves.
Hey, Mama, if we eat it now, is it gonna be okay?
Yes. I told you yes. So either you can have your candy cane and a banana.
Okay. I already opened it and I don't want it.
Okay, well then
Give it
we'll
to
throw it
me.
in the trash.
I don't want it now.
Okay.
Okay, you can have it.
Just
when
save
they
it
get
for
home.
some other time.
Lake licked my hand.
Come, sweet home.
Get off me. Get off me or I'll kill you with this candy cane.
Ethan, you go in and take a shower.
I'm hot.